heading out to the Eastern Sierra again, just to get away. Obviously, it's gonna be raining this next few days, so work is rescheduled. So we figure let's just go see the snow and see if we can camp in the snow, basically.
We gotta use this toilet paper.
Yeah, exactly.
No bathrooms.
That would be fun. But yeah, it's supposed to snow when we're there, so we're looking forward to that, to see how it is to camp in the snow. Like, we camped in the snow before, but not during when actual like deep snowing, so we'll see how cold it gets. But yeah, we don't even have a campsite almost. We just kind of trying to find some BLM on the road, some off-roading trail. So hopefully we find something kind of nice and cool to hang out and yeah, see the area. So yeah, we'll take you guys along to check it out. Yep, it's snowing. We're trying to go to this off-roading trail, but yep, it's snowing on us right now. It's so cool. Can't wait to see this trail real quick. Truck and it's shaking. So cool. A lot of big boulders. It's doable, just that I don't want to be there by myself, so I think we're just gonna turn around. So that's the incline right there. So we're stuck. Super icy here, as you can see. I was trying to go down through that trail right there. It connects over. And then the trail end there with the tree fell. So I was trying to go here, but then I didn't realize it's so slippery here. Super icy. And then there's a little bit of incline. And so it's super icy here, and yeah, we're stuck. So I'll try to get the traction board out and see how it is. Alright, let's give this a shot. On an adventure.
Oh no.
Oh, so we're stuck here and we tried to crank it, but it's not working. It's coming down. Alright, we'll see. Hopefully this works.
So good to go?
What are we doing, Lauren?
Are you good?
Trying to save Mike back there.
Alright, we're good to go when you're ready. Fire away.
There, Mike? Yeah, I'm ready. It's on drive. Okay, so I'm going to try to slowly creep up. Just a slow, slight gas, just to get you up on the traction pad, yeah?
It's working! Woo! It's working! Wow! Good job! Nice!
I know I can do it!
Teamwork makes the dream work.
We don't have to die here.
We won't be buried alive.
That was surprisingly easy, I'll be honest. Yeah, you just needed that little bit.
Yeah, once I get that momentum, it's just
Yeah, you were good once you got that.
All right, we got ourselves out, but the snow is coming down. There's a truck. That's definitely an incline. It's hard to see, but it's a good about 30 degree incline with just really compacted snow. So man, I have no traction to the wheel. We're just spinning like crazy. Ending the air down, obviously, because I didn't think I'd get stuck. But I think it's nice just to go with somebody and have that extra help on hand. So there's a truck. It's getting snowed on. All right, we're gonna try and find a campsite in the next trail, maybe an hour away. It's still like 12 o'clock right now, but it looked like it's night because of all the snow, but it's super pretty. But here's the trail again, just to see that's the trail we're coming up. There's a creek down there, but yeah, it would be kind of scary if we were to go all the way down that area, but it's coming down. It's super pretty. Okay, time to head out. So we're stuck again. This has been really fun learning how to recover your truck. So we're going down, there's a truck getting stuck. Basically, this trail right here that runs all the way through. We're trying to go through all that area, but we hit a patch of snow that's really thick. I'm surprised. Look about a foot, maybe two in the deeper area. And so I was trying to get to all the dirt area, but it's really packed, as you can see. So again, time to learn more recovery gear. I'll try to dig ourselves out first, see how it goes. I mean, it's just really one tire. Maybe I'll throw a traction block down, but the tire is in there. All right. Where's your place?
At Capitol Reef, where I told you we got stuck. We were digging for 2 hours. You got one under there.
Myself out. Well, that's some pretty deep snow, but it's about a foot. This side we're stuck underneath. And obviously, it's a little bit on the incline. Yeah. Alright, we found a camping spot. After tried different trail and stuff like that, we went back to the kind of same area that we were kind of stuck in the beginning. And we found this cool camping spot. No one's around. Basically us. It's gonna get cold, but we're way a little bit under the element. Wait for that element in me. So time to set up. I'm hungry. There's a truck. There's a campground. That's nice. Man, look at the view though. No one's around. There's a camping setup. Shane with his castle. We got no one around. Peace and quiet. But we did see some cougar paws. Not the woman cougars, the real cougars, the animal cougars. We did see a cougars on the road, a woman, but she was looking for a place to stay as well. But we saw some big gnarly animal cougar footprint. So hopefully we don't get eaten. I think it should be fine. This is it.
It's cold, huh?
Yeah. Is this Snow Angel?
Yep, you did it. That's so cool.